Alright, so today we're going to be swapping out the exhaust on my S13. Currently it has an HKS high power, and it's kind of silly, but I'm putting an ISR on instead. This exhaust just hangs a little too low, and I'm going to try and fix that without having to cut up a perfectly good new exhaust, because I feel like someone could use it before I cut it up. First step, let's get the old exhaust off. This is the ISR Series 2. So let's put it on, see how it fits, and see how it sounds. It's a lot louder than the HKS one, but now you can hear that it's cammed. It's kind of cool. Do a quick oil change and we'll go take it for a rip. Oil's drained, and there's an oil temp sensor port here. I had to put Teflon tape on it. It has a slow fucking leak. Drove me nuts. Like maybe a drop a week, but got a new filter on, and let's bring her down and fill her up. Today's oil of choice is Mobil 1 10W40. I figured while we're at it, may as well change the fuel filter too. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I recently just put a Sylvia front on here. It's got bricks, headlights. Guy 3D prints these housings, retrofits projectors. They are super nice. And they're only like 500 bucks. It's a pretty good deal. And then I've got I want to say it's a 91 Sentra grill. Fits real nice. Originally the grill comes out to like here, and you just have to cut it. And just put in a new coolant overflow. It's from a WRX, because why not? Works well, fits nice, small.